Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu salukazi sendoda lesukhokho bathini but I'm very tired. I've just started working. I don't know to people who understands the law. Is there a law that says traditional healers must not be allowed in court? Is there such law that says a traditional healer is not allowed in court? I was thrown out of court because I was there giving a support to a client of mine. There's nothing that I did. He was inside, he was arrested, and I was just there to support my client, and I was thrown out of court. And I don't know where did I get the balls or guts or isbindi to say my client is going to sleep at home tonight. My client is sleeping at home tonight. Whether you want me inside the court or you don't want me here, I'm here to give support to my client. I've done nothing. When I enter the court, I know how to enter the court. I know how to leave the courtroom. I've respected. My phone was on silence. I have done nothing, absolutely nothing. And yes, there were lawyers who said to me, no, you need to take this up and everything. I don't want to take it up because it's going to waste my time, because I don't deal with, I don't want to waste my time going to court in and out, suing, doing what. I just want to ask, is there a law that says traditional healers must not go to court? And if there is a law, what a law that says that, what if your lawyer is a traditional healer? What then happens? Guys, I'm a nohana. I'm next that is scary or whatever. Even if I was wearing everything that I was supposed to be wearing in that court case. But the question I'm asking, because it was an instant call to say, please rush. And then I rushed. And I know how much that case dragged. But anyway, I'm happy my client is going to sleep at home today. My client is happy. He's going to spend Easter holidays with his family after 3 years waiting trial. 3 years waiting trial. I'm happy. But I'm just doing this clip to ask a question, to say, why are we abusing? Why our judges, our magistrates, prosecutors abusing law?